Picture windows are one of the most effective ways to bring natural light and outdoor views into a home. Their large, unobstructed glass surfaces create a focal point that can transform the appearance and feel of a living room. For homeowners in Washington, D.C., picture windows offer the opportunity to showcase city views, tree-lined neighborhoods, historic architecture, and beautifully landscaped yards while making interior spaces feel larger and brighter. However, installing a picture window is only part of the equation. Thoughtful room design can help homeowners maximize the beauty and functionality of these expansive windows. By carefully planning furniture placement, lighting, decor, and window treatments, homeowners can create a living room that fully embraces the benefits of a picture window. Make the window the focal point. A picture window naturally draws attention because of its size and the amount of light it brings into the room. Rather than competing with the window, the overall design should complement it. Many homeowners choose to arrange furniture in a way that highlights the view. Sofas, chairs, and seating areas can be positioned to face the window or take advantage of the natural scenery outside. By treating the picture window as a centerpiece, the room feels more connected to the outdoors and gains a stronger sense of openness. Take advantage of natural light. One of the biggest benefits of a picture window is the abundance of daylight it provides. Natural light can make living rooms feel larger, more welcoming, and more comfortable. To maximize this advantage, homeowners should consider using lighter wall colors, reflective surfaces, and furnishings that help distribute light throughout the room. Mirrors, glass accents, and light-colored decor can help amplify the effect of natural light while creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The result is a space that feels inviting throughout the day without relying heavily on artificial lighting. Choose furniture placement carefully. Large windows offer beautiful views, but they can also influence how furniture is arranged. Avoid placing bulky furniture directly in front of a picture window whenever possible. Blocking the view can diminish one of the window's most valuable features and reduce the amount of natural light entering the room. Instead, consider arranging furniture around the window. Low-profile seating, accent chairs, or small tables can help maintain open sightlines while creating functional living spaces. Thoughtful furniture placement allows homeowners to enjoy both comfort and visual appeal. Balance privacy and views. While many homeowners love the openness that picture windows provide, privacy remains an important consideration. Fortunately, there are several ways to maintain privacy without sacrificing natural light or outdoor views. Popular options include sheer curtains, light filtering shades, cellular shades, layered window treatments. These solutions allow homeowners to control visibility while preserving the bright and spacious feel that picture windows create. Selecting the right window treatments helps achieve a balance between privacy, comfort, and aesthetics. Create a cozy window area. Picture windows often create opportunities for unique design features. Many homeowners incorporate window benches, reading nooks, or built-in seating beneath the window. These additions allow family members to enjoy the view while creating extra seating and visual interest. A cozy window area can become one of the most popular spots in the home, providing a comfortable place to read, relax, or simply enjoy the surrounding scenery. This approach helps maximize the functional value of the window while enhancing the overall design of the room. Complement the architecture of the home. Washington, D.C. homes feature a variety of architectural styles, from historic row houses to contemporary residences. When designing around a picture window, it's important to consider how the window integrates with the home's overall aesthetic. Furniture, colors, materials, and decorative elements should work together to create a cohesive look. Whether the goal is a traditional, transitional, or modern design, the picture window should feel like a natural extension of the home's character. A well-coordinated design helps create a polished and visually appealing living space. Consider energy efficiency and comfort. Modern picture windows are designed to provide impressive energy performance while maximizing views. Many feature Double or triple pane glass low-E coatings, insulated frames, advanced weather stripping. These technologies help maintain indoor comfort while reducing heat transfer. Homeowners can enjoy expansive views and natural light without compromising energy efficiency. Choosing energy-efficient picture windows supports both comfort and long-term performance. Enhancing Washington, D.C. living rooms. Picture windows offer a unique opportunity to transform living rooms into brighter, more inviting spaces. By making the window a focal point, optimizing furniture placement, managing natural light, and incorporating thoughtful design elements, homeowners can fully enjoy the benefits these windows provide. For Washington, D.C. homeowners, designing around a picture window is about more than aesthetics. It's about creating a living space that feels open, comfortable, and connected to the surrounding environment. With the right approach, a picture window can become one of the most impressive and enjoyable features in the entire home.